Lesson 7, Weather. Hello, and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to learn useful vocabulary for describing weather conditions, rain and storms, and different levels of temperature. A. Weather conditions. Many weather adjectives are formed by adding the letter Y to a noun. The noun fog becomes the adjective foggy. The noun cloud becomes cloudy. The expression the cold is connected with the adjective cold. The noun ice becomes icy. The noun sun becomes sunny. When the sun is producing light, we can say, the sun is shining. The noun wind becomes windy. When the air is moving strongly, we can say, the wind is blowing. The noun snow becomes snowy. When snow is falling, we say, it is snowing. The noun rain is connected with the adjective wet. When rain is falling, we say, it is raining. Common weather collocations. Certain words are commonly used together when describing the weather. When the sky contains many clouds, we can say, it was very cloudy this morning, but the sun came out after lunch. The expression the sun came out means that the sun appeared. When fog is very difficult to see through, we call it thick fog. The accident happened in thick fog. When a large amount of rain falls, we use the expression heavy rain. The opposite is light rain. We had some heavy rain at the weekend. When the wind is powerful, we describe it as a strong wind. There was a strong wind when we were on the boat. We can also use the verb blow. The wind has blown all the apples off the tree. When there are no clouds, the sky is clear. It rained in the morning, but the sky was clear by lunchtime. We can strengthen weather adjectives with extremely. It has been extremely cold today. We can also say extremely hot or extremely windy. B. Rain and storms. For very heavy rain, we often use the verb pour. It poured with rain this afternoon. When heavy rain is falling now, we can say, it is really pouring with rain now. A shower is a short period of rain. A shower may be light or heavy. We had a couple of heavy showers this morning. A storm is heavy rain accompanied by strong winds. A period of hot weather may end with a thunderstorm. First, the weather may become very humid. Humid air feels warm and wet. Then we may hear thunder and see lightning. This is often followed by heavy rain. C. Temperature. Temperature describes how hot or cold something is. A temperature of 40 degrees Celsius is extremely hot and may be described as boiling. From the hottest end of the scale, we can use the words boiling, hot, and warm. When the weather is only slightly warm, we can say not very warm or cool. At the colder end, we use cold and chilly. A temperature of 10 degrees below zero is extremely cold and may be described as freezing. Language help, cool and mild. The adjective cool can have two slightly different meanings. It can describe weather that is slightly cold in an unpleasant way. We have had a cool summer. It can also describe something that feels pleasantly cold. The water in the pool was lovely and cool. The adjective mild is often used positively to describe weather that is warmer than usual and not very cold. For example, it has been a mild winter.